Hello JTHS families. This video will show you how to navigate through the Power PTC website and schedule conferences with your students' teachers. Please be sure to download the Zoom application on your smart device before scheduling your students' conferences. You can do this by visiting the App Store for Apple devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Let's navigate to the Power PTC website using the web browser of your choice and type in www.powerptc.net in the address bar. When you land on the web page, under the Login panel, enter the primary email address that is on file with your student's campus. First-time users will use capital J, lowercase t, lowercase h, lowercase s, 204 as their password. You will then be prompted to change the password once you gained access. Follow the screen prompts to change your password. Returning families will utilize the password they used for their students' Semester 1 conferences. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the screen prompts. Once you have gained access to your account, the home page will show all your students who are actively enrolled at Joliet Township High Schools. You can switch between students by clicking on Change Student. On the gray Attempt to Schedule button to begin, go ahead and click on that. Select the conference date of your choice by clicking on the drop-down menu and also a starting time. If you have multiple students, select the Also Schedule All Appointments button by clicking on this box. In the Available Courses section, select the teachers you would like to meet with by clicking on the box under the Schedule column. Once you have made your selection, click on the gray Build Your Schedule Now button. It is possible that some of your teachers might not be available during the selected time and date. You will notice a red X will appear for those teachers who do not have availability. If you need to request Spanish interpretation services, click on the Lifesaver icon and a pop-up window will appear to confirm your request. Click on the gray Request button to confirm your selection. Please note that you must select the Lifesaver icon for each class you will need an interpreter. You will notice that the Lifesaver icon has turned green. Once you have completed scheduling your conferences, you can click on the gray Print Schedule button and send it to your printer. You can also email a copy of the scheduled conferences by clicking on the gray Email Schedule button. Remember to check your email inbox. If you do not see it in your immediate inbox, please check your junk or spam folders. Your schedule will contain Zoom links to each of your students' scheduled appointments. Click on the video conference link on the date and time of your appointment, which will launch the Zoom application and connect you with your student's teacher. For families with multiple students in the district, you can confirm their conferences were also scheduled by clicking on Change Student. We hope this video has been very informative. Thank you for watching.